plant is grown for its aromatic, pungent and spicy ginger roots. The texture of ginger rhizomes is firm, knotty, rough and striated. Depending on the variety, the flesh may be yellow, white or red. The skin is cream colored to light brown and might be thick or thin, depending on the plant's maturity at harvest. Ginger thrives best in warm, humid climates. Choose a site that provides plenty of light, including 2 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. Ideal spots are also protected from strong winds. The best soil for ginger is loose, loamy and rich in organic matter. Loamy soils allow water to drain freely, which will help prevent the rhizomes from becoming waterlogged. Thick mulch can also provide nutrients, retain water, and help control weeds. Before planting, cut the ginger rhizome into 1 to 1.5 inch pieces and set them aside for a few days to allow the cut surface area to heal and form a callus. In early spring, plant parts of the underground rhizomes. A good source of ginger for planting is fresh rhizomes from another grower. If you are buying ginger from a store, soak the rhizomes in water overnight because they are sometimes treated with the growth retardant. Plant the rhizomes 6 to 8 inches apart and 2 to 4 inches deep and with the growth buds pointing upward. They can be planted whole or in smaller pieces, with a couple of growing buds each. Ginger plants will grow to about 2 to 3 feet tall. To improve the soil, add a slow-release organic fertilizer at planting. Afterward, liquid fertilizer might be applied every few weeks. This is especially needed in regions of heavy rainfall, where rain can leach essential nutrients from the soil. You can also add compost, which will supply nutrients as well as retain water in the soil. Ginger roots benefit from fertilizer containing high levels of phosphorus. Do not allow the plants to dry out while they are actively growing. As the weather cools, reduce watering. This will encourage the plants to form underground rhizomes. In dry areas, mist or spray plants regularly. Always avoid overwatering. Ginger can be harvested by digging up the entire plant. The best time is when the plant is 8 to 10 months old. After harvest, choose rhizomes for replanting promptly. Ginger is usually available in 2 forms. Young ginger is mostly found in Asian markets and does not need to be peeled. Mature ginger is more widely available and has a tough skin that needs to be peeled. If left unpeeled, it can be kept for up to 3 weeks in refrigeration or up to 6 months frozen. Ginger is a good source of copper, magnesium, manganese, potassium, and vitamin B6. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to be part of the Plant Farm Eat community and be notified on the upcoming videos.